I don't know, whatever.
Welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel for the first time. If this is your first time, I appreciate it. Hello, my name is Allie. I have ADHD. And I am very excited. I am going to be theming this week Hair Week, because if you guys have not noticed, my hair is a disaster and I look like a mess. I don't exactly know what I am going to do yet.
I haven't decided. I never know what I'm doing because I have ADHD. I don't know what I'm doing with my life or my hair or anything.
I know that I am going to cut it, I know that I am going to bleach it, and then I am going to do color. I also have some extensions. This by no means is a tutorial. I've just been doing my own hair for years. There are a lot more qualified people out there giving tutorials, so take all of my advice or instructions with a grain of salt. I'm not a professional. If you have any questions or concerns about your hair, please consult a professional. Hair is a huge personal expression of how we feel and kind of giving the outward world a view and on how we feel inside. I hope that you guys enjoy it. I hope that maybe you learn a little bit of something, or maybe you guys just point and laugh. Talking to you, Brad Mondo. If you're watching, tell me how I did. So let's get to it. And welcome to my bathroom. I took my eyelashes off because it was poking me in the eyeball. I've got my regular mirror, and then I've got my little handheld mirror. That is how I am seeing the back of my head when I go to actually trim it. Got a hair cutting kit, hairbrushes, wide tooth comb, a bunch of crocodile clips. I need to start by putting my trash can up here on the sink. That way I can cut into the trash can so I'm not making a huge mess. Typically, I suggest if you're gonna cut your hair to wash your hair first, but because I will be dyeing my hair also, it is not washed. It is very greasy, so it's gonna stay in place. I'm gonna do kind of like a choppy layer. I wanna lose probably about an inch. I'm a stickler for doing the same thing that I've always done forever and ever. I like doing the side part. I like doing the...
What is that? Swoopy?
Side swoop. Typically when I dye my hair, I do a split dye. And when you do the side part with a split dye, like down the middle dye, it creates this really cool like flip-a-do. I think I'm gonna start by sectioning my hair. I don't think I've ever gone into cutting my hair with a plan, just kind of like gone into it with scissors. And now that I'm filming it, I'm like, I don't know what I'm doing. I honestly don't know. Get back. Back, even. That looks fairly uneven, actually. Let's try that again. Sometimes you just need a creative outlet, and sometimes that creative outlet takes form on your head. Looking a lot more even than it was before. I'm going to split these two sections into two sections each. And after I split each section into two pieces, I clip them so that they don't get mixed up. I feel like has more hair, so I wanna try and even it up a little bit. You want the left and right sections to match, but the front and back sections do not have to be even. So I've got 4 sections. My hair is really thin. I'm gonna start in this back quadrant. Don't wanna over direct it. I grabbed a couple hair ties. I think it might be easier if I rubber band it. That's not as much length as I want to take off. I want to take off more length than that. So I'm gonna take this ponytail holder out and do-over. I'm starting to sweat, guys. Oh. I might take this and just add another rubber band. So now I'm gonna do the same thing to this section. This wire section.
I'm trying my best to make these even here.
Oh please, I'm gonna remove my makeup.
Hey guys, I just wanted to break in real quick and tell you that I was having some skin issues. My face was hurting really bad, and then it was getting hot in the bathroom and I was getting sweaty. So if I look different when I get back to my hair, I just want to let you know why.
I'm back, and I put on a pimple patch so that I would stop touching my face.
Stop touching me.
Don't touch it. Let's get back at it. I'm gonna go at it with scissors first. I'm gonna do it over the trash can. And we'll cut it. Cut that off. Bye-bye, dead ends. There's something so terrifying, yet so cathartic about cutting your own hair. Not bad, girl. Separate it. Kate and scissors. Yeah, I think that looks pretty even. What do you think, guys? I think it's not bad. I think I'm gonna take my next layer now. Got that sectioned out. That's my length, so I'm saving that so we don't get shorter. That's not a super even section, but whatever. Is anything in my life perfection? No. Hang on. I need some makeup. Stop. Where am I at?
What I'm attempting to do is make layers in this back section of my hair, and you'll have to wait to see how that turns out.
Look, Mom. I'm not looking. Cutting it blind. I mean, worst comes to worst, what? My hair looks bad. But, heh, joke's on you. Hair already looks bad. Yeah. Dropping everything. I feel like if you had thicker hair, this would be a lot more difficult.
As I section my hair and try and build layers, I do use thinning shears in order to create a more choppy effect at the ends.
Clip that sucker up. And make sure I don't tilt my head back too much. Straighten my head. Pull this forward. Hopefully chop the same amount off as the other side. I'm just guessing. I want it to look like a child went in while I was sleeping and was like, I discovered scissors. Look at what they can do. I'd call it a day on that section. That's probably just gonna fail miserably, so. Oh, might as well have fun doing it. I just kind of given up at this point. I kind of just want to forfeit. Can I forfeit yet? Am I too far in to forfeit? I think it's time to let out the bottom section. Brush it out. Ow, ow, ow. So, not great. Not completely terrible. Not really sure where to go from here. I feel like maybe if I take a couple sections and kind of take my razor. It just looks uneven and I wanted it to look layered.
To try and get a more layered effect, I'm taking the razor and trying to blend the blocky pieces I had created.
I mean, that looks really good from the front. It tricks you into thinking it looks good. That's why I never cut the back. Definitely doesn't look professional, I'll admit that, but like I've said from the very beginning, none of this is gonna look professional.
I wish that I had just started with the razor. I feel like this blockiness wouldn't have occurred if I had just cut originally with the razor.
Making a mess.
I thought maybe putting the back section into a ponytail and razoring it might help.
I really don't know how to fix it at this point. I feel like I should just make it look good from the front because that's where it always is, and call it a day. I've gotten to the point where, like, I'm not sure if I care anymore.
I switched from the silver razor to the pink razor because the pink razor is newer, so I thought maybe it's sharper and it might create better layers.
So I think I'm okay with the back now. We're gonna let it down and see.
When everything else fails, you gotta call in the boyfriend for some help.
Hey babe! Yeah. Will you come here? Yeah. And check my hair?
I like it.
Does it look like kind of even? Like I want it like jaggedy, but I don't want it to look lopsided.
You don't want it to be like this.
Yes.
No, that's pretty good. It does. It's got some like. So
And then the green looks a little bit longer.
it is.
That's a razor. Be careful.
Oh.
That's not a comb.
Whoa. Okay. It's not her. Just. So, yeah, I thought that was a comb. Just straight.
It's not a comb.
There you go. So it does this.
Right here. Do you want a brush?
No. Look. So just.
Do you want a comb?
No. Just. God. Straight.
I can't see the actual back of my head.
No, it's fine. Like I said, it's got like a little bit of like a wave to
Will you
it.
take this and kind of even it up a little bit?
You gotta stop because it does start over here and then does like it goes.
That's what I'm saying. The green's longer.
Yeah.
You're gonna turn this into a hair fail video.
No, it's fine. You said you just wanted a little bit cut. I'm just cutting a little bit.
I think that looks a lot better.
You know, you can cut my grandma's hair.
I'm not your grandma!
I mean, I'm just saying.
Okay, that was enough stress. So I'm gonna take a break and then we'll come back and do the front section. I changed. I'm going to double check my work.
I clipped the back section out of the way so I didn't touch it, and I went to let down the front section and it had gotten super wavy from the buns, so I need to go straighten it.
I will be right back. It looks so stupid. I hate it. I'm glad this is not how I'm actually going to style my hair. I think honestly, I'm just gonna frame the face. I'm gonna put this into sections. And I'm just going to, oops, drop everything. I'm gonna go like eye level and then down. I'm getting distracted. Getting distracted. I'm looking at this hairstyle and I'm like, oh, thank God I don't do a middle part. This is awful. Cross-eyed. This is my jam. I know exactly what I'm doing. Get out of here. Oh, that was just my earring. Don't mind me. Now this side, I'm not exactly certain because I'm gonna swoop it over there. I don't think I'm gonna go as short. I think I might start a little bit longer. really hope you guys can see this. Whoa. Don't try and brush. Well, you got a razor in your hand. Not a smart idea.
I'm attempting to comb my hair and razor it and try and make it as even as possible with the other side, with still remaining a little bit of length, so when it swoops it is more even.
Trying to give it more of like a taper look. And this side it was so weird, it was like boom, boom. So it's a little bit more difficult than the other side. A couple weird piecey things going on here. Get out of here. Hey guys, how's it going? It's my new haircut. Hey, you look real pretty. So I did not realize that I had such a terrible angle and you guys couldn't see me do this wicked sweet cut on the front, but this is what it's looking like right now.
I brushed all the hair forward so that I could try and make both sides even, because there were a couple pieces that were sticking out. I was having a hard time kind of matching them up.
I'm feeling all right. I'm feeling like this might look good. Let's find out. Whew. And there we go. Not quite what I was going for, but I think I'm actually really happy with the results. Ooh, there's one chunk there I don't like you.
Since I had my hair parted the way that I was actually going to wear it, I really wanted to trim it up and make it blend a lot better since it was sectioned apart from each other.
A few more finishing touches. I am surprisingly happy with the results. I like that it looks like I cut it myself, because it definitely does. Does not look like a professional did it. But I think that's more fun. I feel like I should stop while I'm ahead. Right, guys? Just a little bit. I can hear you all screaming, stop, stop, stop doing it. Stop cutting. You're going overboard. And like, yeah, I know, but I don't know how to stop. I'm just too excited. I think there's this one spot that I've said about 4 times now, just this one spot. I like this like artsy, PC, like grunge kind of look. Just final look. What do you guys think? I'm pretty happy with it. For the first time ever trying to like cut the back of it, because I've never tried to lose length. I've always done my little side swoop and called it a day. My seam girl swoop I'll never grow out of. But I actually really like it. I think I'm into it. Let me know in the comments down below what you think.
And don't forget to subscribe and click that bell.
All right, I'll see you guys next time. Bye. I am a strong, independent woman and I don't need no help.